the delta sigma modulation of analog signal into digital bits. Delta sigma is said to have a very good quality with the results of an analog to digital conversion. Delta sigma, indeed, has a very attractive name. Unfortunately, when it comes to understanding the technological aspects of how delta sigma works, it is too often put in an exclamation like this: delta sigma is very difficult to understand. The experts had even called delta sigma too complex to understand, even by engineering professionals. We may wonder whether a good instructor is able to explain the topic of delta sigma in a manner that ordinary people may have a chance to understand. Some tutorials were aware of avoiding detailed mathematics. However, almost all of the tutorials harmoniously throw in extra, strange terms. They all say these terms must be mastered before anyone is able to understand delta sigma. This way of explanation of a main topic A, by the prerequisite of understanding B, C, or even D, must be some semester's work of a college department of electrical and electronic engineering. Also, almost all the short courses fail to unite the entire subsidiary topics together, to come to a perfect conclusion on the working principles of the main topic A. I stem my interest in delta sigma from its musical entertainment-related applications. I studied engineering, but not in the electrical and electronics engineering fields. I was challenged with the difficulty of delta sigma and committed myself to a self-education of it. I went through the steps of clearing all, or at least most of the topics that are required to understanding delta sigma. The steps I arranged to this learning. Some of these steps were the basics, and some others were supportive and were compulsory before I could go farther on. The study methods used, which by themselves were new to me, or must be refreshed. I went through a rather stiff learning curve. The whole course took about 12 weeks of time, quality and intensity of which was not any less than that a full-time college student must spend in a semester. I am here to present what I learned about delta sigma from this self-education. I hope my presentation will provide a reasonably easy explanation of delta sigma, easier understandable than other tutorials would be. In summary, I have studied all the technical aspects of delta sigma modulation. I believe I have made myself highly proficient with the technique needed to deal with delta sigma, at least by using software simulations. I am happy that I, who do not have an EE specialty, have self-taught delta sigma modulation. Delta sigma involves not only hardware circuitry, but most of all, logical procedures that are essential to its success. It is indeed difficult to explain delta sigma. I suppose and hope that my presentation above is understandable. If not, I hope you don't mind that I say I am contented myself with my self-education of a challenging technical knowledge. Thank you very much for your attention.